Hey and welcome to this video. My name is Johannes, and in this video I'm going to show you how to buy KuCoin Token KCS. And this is only available on the KuCoin Exchange right now at least. So if you don't have an account on KuCoin, you can register from my link in the description below. And if you already have an account, make sure you get logged in. I'm in the assets overview right now. You can find it just by clicking assets in the upper right corner. And you can see I have some available balance because I've tried the KuCoin Exchange out and I've transferred some KuCoin tokens to the KuCoin community chain. And I will show you two different alternatives. One is to actually buy crypto right here on the KuCoin Exchange. However, this will require some KYC and you entering your credit or debit card information and also personal details, as well as uploading documents to verify that it actually is you buying this. So I will actually provide you with another alternative as well, which is to transfer crypto from Binance Exchange to KuCoin, so you can just trade in any cryptocurrency that you might have already on Binance into the KuCoin token on the KuCoin Exchange. I hope that makes sense. So first off, I will just show you real quick how you can buy the KuCoin token on KuCoin Exchange. So just click on buy crypto either in assets overview or in the menu up in the left corner, credit/debit card. And you can see credit/debit card. I want to spend USD. You can select from lots of different alternatives, fiat currency wise. And I want to buy BTC. So you can just click BTC and search for KCS. And obviously you can choose Apple Pay as well if you have that. Else you can choose Visa, Mastercard or SEPA. So you can just read through the disclaimer. You can choose the amount, let's say $20 US, and obviously read through the disclaimer, make sure you agree to it and click on confirm. If nothing happens after you click on confirm, you might need to go up to the little lock here and go to web settings and enable pop-ups on the site, because you will get redirected to banxa.com. The other alternative is, as I said, to transfer crypto from either Binance or whatever exchange you might be using. I will show you Binance because it's the exchange I'm using. So you can go back to assets and you can go to your main account. And as you can see, I have some Ethereum available here, and I will show you how you can transfer Ethereum from Binance to KuCoin Exchange and then trade the Ethereum into KuCoin token. So you can just click deposit on Ethereum. You can search for Ethereum right up here as well. So you will get Ethereum and click on deposit. And this is my Ethereum address that I will copy and that I need to enter in order to transfer from Binance to KuCoin Exchange. So I will go on to Binance and show you how to withdraw your Ethereum from the wallet there. So now I'm inside Binance. If you don't have an account on Binance, you can register from my link in the description and you will get 10% kickback on trading fees. And you can look for wallet when you're logged in. You can go to fiat and spot. And you can see search coin right here and type in ETH or Ethereum. And there you will see ETH, Ethereum, and we will click on withdraw. And as you can see, coin ETH right here, address. This is the place where we will paste in the address we copied from the KuCoin Exchange. Network, we will select ERC20 Ethereum. This is very important that you select ERC20 Ethereum network. And then you choose the amount of Ethereum that you want to withdraw to KuCoin Exchange. There will be a small transaction fee for the withdrawal. I don't have enough balance available right now to transfer, but you will just have to click on confirm and submit. and enter some security details as well, like a code that verification code to your email or phone and stuff like that. I won't show you this right now, but you just click on withdraw, make sure it's the right address right here from the KuCoin Exchange, make sure it's Ethereum, and make sure it's Ethereum that you deposit to right here. So that's basically how you can transfer Ethereum from Binance to the KuCoin Exchange. You will see it inside the deposit history. It will take maybe 20 to 30 minutes to receive your transfer to the KuCoin Exchange from Binance Exchange. And then I will show you how to trade the Ethereum that you receive here into the KuCoin token. So you can go back to assets inside KuCoin Exchange, and you will have to go into your main account again. And hopefully you will be able to see the balance update on Ethereum very soon. So right now we will click on transfer on Ethereum right here, and you will see direction main account to trading account, and that's correct. Available amount, I will just click on this, so it will transfer my entire Ethereum balance to the trading account. So I will click on confirm right here. Now you can see I don't have any, I have 0 Ethereum and 0 USD Ethereum inside my main account. So now we will click into our trading account. And now you will see I have my available balance of Ethereum inside my trading account. So what we can do now is to look for search right here, and we can type in KCS, and this is the KuCoin token, and we will click on trade, and you can see KCS USDT, KCS ETH, KCS BTC. So we have ETH that we can trade into KCS right now. So I will click on KCS ETH. And this is where it can get a bit tricky. You can see the price of 1 KCS in Ethereum. So usually a safe bet to do is to just type in price right here with the price that you can see right here, 0.004795. So make sure it's the same price right there. And I usually just spend my entire Ethereum, so I will click 100%, and you will see how many KCS you will get for your Ethereum right here. And you can just click buy KCS. You have placed the order successfully, limit buy KCS ETH, and you can see it's not an open order anymore, so that means I have received my KCS. You can click into order history, and you will be able to see the time and date that you made the trade, and you will see it got filled right here. And if it doesn't get filled, which means it didn't get through, you didn't get your KCS, so you will still have your ETH. You will probably see it inside your open order still, and you can just click cancel, and you will probably have to update the price right here once again and select the price that you can see right here again. So that's the most basic way I can describe to trade in Ethereum into the KuCoin token. Hopefully you found the value and found that it makes sense whatever you decide to do. If you want to buy the KuCoin token with Apple Pay or your credit or debit card, or if you want to transfer your crypto and trade it into the KuCoin token. So thank you for watching this video. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want more cryptocurrency tutorials and reviews. Else, thank you for watching. Have a nice day and goodbye.